everyone and welcome back to my channel. So it's 2021, it's new year, it is the first month of new year and I really want to try new products and experiment with new brands and new type of makeup. So in today's video I would be trying a new foundation, and it is not just any foundation, it would be the cheapest foundation that is available on Nykaa. So first I'll show you which foundation is it and which brand am I talking about, and then I'll tell you more about the product. So the brand that I'm talking about is called V.I. John. I hope this is how the brand is pronounced, and this is the cheapest foundation that I was able to grab on Nykaa. So when I was searching for new foundation on Nykaa, I just filtered the product from lower to higher price range, and this is what came up first. This particular bottle of foundation retails for just ₹50, and I was lucky enough to get it on a further discount, and I just paid ₹40 for the 60 gram of bottle. Now the price point is not the only thing that attracted me towards this particular foundation. Another thing that is different in this foundation is the fact that this foundation do not have a regular pump or like a regular bottle. In fact, this is a rollerball foundation. I am not sure how to show it to you, but I'll just try my best. This is how the roller ball looks like. I haven't actually seen any foundation which is of this kind. Like rollerball foundation is a new concept to me. I have tried the deos which are rollerball, not the foundation. So this would again be a new experience for me. Also, I would like to mention, see, I haven't tried this foundation yet, and I'm going to do this in front of the camera, and that is the reason I'm sitting barefaced. But the thing I am not very happy about this foundation is the fact that firstly, this foundation is available in just one single shade, and I don't think that one single color can be good for every skin color. Plus the rollerball thing, I don't find it very hygienic to use, but because I would be the only one that would be using this foundation, so it can still work for me. But if you are a makeup artist or you want to use affordable products on your clients, then this is not something I would recommend. Now rest, how would this look on me, how would the formula work and all, we'll just see in the video. So now to give this foundation a fair shot, what I will do is I would apply this foundation in a manner that I apply my regular foundations. I have already cleaned my face and moisturized my face, and I would be applying this foundation with a beauty sponge. So I have already dampened my beauty sponge, and I would just grab my mirror and would directly start applying this foundation onto my face. I already have my hair tied at the back, and there is nothing else that I require to do on my face. I have also sanitized my hand. Now I would just open the bottle and would start working with this foundation. So now the best thing I can do is apply the foundation the way it is given. Like I assumed, this particular one is a very light shade for me, and the product is already finished in this. I don't know how to work with this. It's a very light color, and the one thing that immediately I can say after applying this on my face is that this smells like talcum powder. I'm sorry if I'm not applying it in the right manner, but that's the best I can do right now. Applying a very light layer on my skin. Okay, I read in the description of this foundation do not claim to be a very high coverage foundation. It is sort of a light to medium coverage foundation, but it does claim to hide any dark spots or blemishes on your skin, but it definitely claims to be a long lasting foundation. So I would just try and check in throughout the day, maybe after 1 or 2 hours, and let you know how I feel about this foundation. So currently I am actually done with the first layer of foundation, and I cannot see a lot of difference in my skin. It certainly seemed to give a little bit of coverage, and it is definitely not like my color, but I would go in with a second layer of the foundation, and then we'll see how is this looking on my face. Now this time I'll apply it onto my neck also, just to match, because this is already a very light color. So I'll just go in on my neck as well to match my neck with my face. The foundation is actually pretty easy to blend. It is like a liquidy texture and the sponge is able to blend it nicely. I have a very sensitive skin and this foundation is not irritating my skin or anything. Now this is how my skin looks like after like 2 layers. Okay, on camera it might seem that this is giving a decent coverage, but in person when I see up close, it is actually not hiding any of my marks and all. I would just quickly complete the rest of my makeup and we'll be right back. Okay, so now I am done with my makeup. I haven't actually used a lot of products on my face today because my foundation is not looking like a foundation. It is just looking like I have some sort of white powder on my face. So I have just applied a little bit of color on my lips and a little bit of kajal, and this is how my final face looks like. Currently actually I'm sitting in my room, so I would just go out and show you how my foundation looks like in natural light. And once I'll be done with doing a couple of checkings, I would come towards the end of the day and would let you know about my final thoughts on this foundation. Okay, so now I'm in the sun, and if I look up close, it does look decently fine on my skin, but it is giving a sort of white cast to my face, which I'm not really happy about. Just excuse my eyes, the sun is pretty strong right now, so this is actually the best I can get. So if I look up close, it is certainly not hiding any marks on my skin or is not giving me a very good coverage, but I guess, I don't know, we'll just see maybe an hour later how does this look. It's been almost 1 hour and this is how my foundation looks like. The coverage is going even bad. Okay, now this is how the coverage of the foundation looks like. I am not happy, and because I didn't expect a lot, I am not even sad about it. Welcome back. So now it's been almost 6 hours that I've had this foundation on my skin, and now I am actually ready with my final thoughts about this foundation. So firstly, I would like to say that because this is a 50 rupees foundation, I initially had not a lot of expectations from this foundation, especially considering the fact that it was available in just one single color. So the first thing, as I already said in the starting of the video, is this is like one single color, so this is certainly not my shade. And when I applied it, it was it was actually smelling like powder, and I felt that I'm applying a white powder on my skin. Though the foundation looked completely fine from far away in the camera, but when I looked up close, it was not actually giving me a lot of coverage, which was actually fine for me because it didn't claim to have high coverage or so. The foundation also looked fine in my first and even the second check-ins, but the camera was not actually able to capture the areas around my nose and everything. After like 2 to 3 hours, I did not feel that I have anything on my face. Like whenever I was looking in the mirror, I did not feel like that I have anything on my face. My skin was looking completely bare. All I was able to see was a little bit of color on my lips and my kajal. There was nothing whatsoever on my face. So if you ask me for my thoughts, affordability, yes, this foundation is very affordable. Like 50 rupees for this big of a bottle is a very good price. Easy to use, yes, it is very easy to use, but it is hygienic to use only if you are using it and nobody else is using. And even then, I won't say that this is the best, but it is better if just one single person use it as compared to it when it is being used by multiple people. The texture wise also it is good, like it is easy to blend and everything. But now comes the downfall of the foundation. Coverage. The company claimed it to give like a fair to medium coverage, which initially it did give a low coverage, but only after 2 coats, which wasn't actually visible after 2 to 3 hours. So the coverage part is not exactly very good, because if you cannot see your foundation after 2 to 3 hours, then you do not have your foundation. And just applying a product for 1 hour or so is, I don't think, worth. Secondly, if I talk about the color match, it is a complete no, because one single color cannot certainly match each and every type of skin tone. And if this product is something which is meant for deeper, yeah, darker skin tones, or somebody like me, to make me look fairer, then this should not be called a foundation. In fact, this should be called a fairness product, which again it is not, because it did not make me look fair. It just actually gave me a different sort of a white cast, which I'm not sure who actually wants that sort of white face. So now, considering the pros and the cons of the product, even though this foundation retails for just rupees 50, for me this is a complete fail product. I do not recommend it. If you want to experiment with something new, or you want to try how does a rollerball foundation feel like, then maybe yeah, you can invest like 40 or 50 rupees in this. But if you're actually looking for a affordable foundation which can last you a year or so and which will work for your skin, then this is not something you should go for. I would just suggest you to invest a little more amount and just go for a Maybelline Fit Me foundation, or maybe the Lakme foundation, which retails for just 299 rupees and is way better than this one. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I actually enjoyed filming this video, and I'm recently loving trying new makeup products that are available in the market. If there is something new that you want me to try, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I would just love to try anything new and anything weird actually. So do let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you like today's video, or if this video was helpful for you, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.